Hey guys, Kyle from J.Racenstein, and we got a brand new build I'm really excited to show you guys. This is going to be our biggest, baddest, most complicated, coolest system we've ever done. This is a drone trailer skid. It's good for soft washing and pressure washing. This one's got some tweaks to make it really good for drones though. But let's start with the coolest feature. Start off hot right out of the gate. We've got curbside reels right here. So, little pop out window. This is going to give you quick, easy access to all of our hose reels, our manifold, our remote system, our pump systems, our lights, our indicator lights, all of that right here. So I am on the passenger side of the truck and the trailer going right out to the building. So you pull up alongside that curb and pull your hoses straight on out. We go ahead and add these pop out windows ourselves here in-house. We find these, put them in ourselves, reinforce it, all of that. 100% waterproof. We've already tested all that, pressure washed this, not a single drip coming through. So super cool here. We've got our soft wash drone hose right here, our high pressure line for our pressure washer and going up to our drone as well, our large input water hose right here, and our water fed pole delivery line. So a complete system for every cleaning application when it comes to exterior cleaning, all ready to go and access from this side. We got our remote pump right here. So we got our water fed pole remote right here. Control the flow of that, go up and down with the flow. If you want to increase or decrease the pressure coming out at the brush, turn it off entirely. We also got remote systems. So we got a remote system for our pressure wash side, remote start, remote stop for the engine. And then this one's got a switch between pure water and dirty water. So right here we got our dirty water indicator light. Got our, if we go ahead and switch that over to our pure water right there. And then for our soft wash side, we've got the same thing, remote start for the engine, remote stop for the engine, and then turn on and off your soap and on and off your bleach independently so you can apply just chems or apply bleach and chems, all of that. You got full control over all of this system, all remotes, all automated, everything like that. Then we got our blend manifold right here. So we got our pure water valve, our dirty water valve, our soap valve, and our bleach valve. Now, one of the things we do is when we turn off that bleach, we move it over to water, so you're rinsing out your entire manifold system, rinsing out your check valves, your pump, and all that as you're rinsing the building and as you're rinsing. So let's take a closer look inside of this. Coming in right here from the side door, we got our light switches right here. We got our master on-off switch, our electrical panel. We got the HydroPanels facing front right there. Dual HydroPanel system, this dual HydroPanel 4.5s. So we're gonna be creating 9 gallons a minute of RODI water going into the pure water tanks to keep up with drones. So very little, if any, downtime at all because of water in this skid, in this trailer. So got our bleach tank. We got 4 slimline 100-gallon tanks. We've got 200 gallons of dirty water, 200 gallons of pure water. We've got the back of our reels right here, all of our plumbing. We got our electrical panel. This is our hub. Inside here, we got our breaker switches. So we don't do any fuses here. So if anything does happen, you can fix that, flip that right back on, get going. You don't have to fiddle around with any fuses. We got our pole holder up on top right here. Got our apex pole ready to go, waiting to be used. We're gonna go around the back. I'm gonna meet you around the outside if you wanna meet me around that way. Go ahead and open up this door. And this is where all our systems are. So up top right here, we got our skid nexus system. This is a dual operator skid nexus system, so it's got 2 in that box. Then we've got our P40 soft wash pump, electric start, of course, because we got that start stop with the remotes. This is a Honda GX 690, 10.5 gallon a minute, 3,000 PSI pressure washer right here with a 17-gallon slimline tank right off the back door. Is really easy to fill up at the gas station. So plenty of gas, 17 gallons there. Pressure washer, soft wash. That is the full setup. This thing can do absolutely everything. This is the best of the best. High output pressure washer, high output soft wash pump, water fed pole setup with a 12-volt delivery and remotes. Super cool build, super fun one to build out and design and see going into production here later this week.